here's what we're going to be trying to make today. These are some 3D printed throwing knives from the video game Helldivers 2. I had a problem with all the inside parts, like all these lines right here. They all wanted to come out. All right, here's our crucible full of aluminum nails and some overflow ingots, some failed stuff, some sprues. So let's get this melted down. Alright, pretty good pours, but we'll see how they turned out once I open it up. So we're going to let these cool down for a bit since aluminum is not very conductive. It's going to take a lot longer for this stuff to cool down, and it's also a lot softer, so you want to make sure that it's nice and cooled before removing it from the box, otherwise you're going to just destroy it. So we got one good one so far. We just got a lot of cleanup to do on it, and I gotta kind of recut out these center parts, but it's actually good. Second one isn't too bad, except the point for some reason rounded off. I'm wondering if I didn't have a good enough ventilation line right there, because it looks like it had some head pressure right there, and it was preventing the metal from filling in the point. But we could probably repoint it. Fourth one's junk. You could see the very bottom there and the handle's a little melted, and throwing knives are all polished up and they're ready for a clear coat. So we'll get a final picture here soon. Here's the Helldivers knives all done. So you can see on the left too here, they had to get repointed, so they're a little bit shorter, but that's all right. And this one had a little thing at the bottom of the handle, a little bit of pitting on the one, but overall they turned out pretty good. So the edges are polished down to 400. The face part is polished down to 320 with a circular sander to give it like a little bit of texture. You can see how it looks different. It looks cool. It gives it a little bit of contrast with the same color. All right, let's see if we can get these to stick in the log. Nice. Okay, so they work about 3 inches away, so you know, if anyone ever comes at me and I have these in my possession and they're 3 inches from me, but might as well just stab them at that point with them, right? Let me know what you guys think.